See, Stephanie?
Look, the car, there's no slipping. Again, you can even play that game. The carrot. A lot of y'all were laughing at me in the comments. That's why I love my Crocs. The car's just gonna be able to, huh? Huh? Look at this. Yes, sir. I told you this is gonna work. Now all we gotta do is hit the road. Ah. Look how easy it's coming out. This was the trick this year. Come on now. That's it, Stephanie. We good to?
Michael, what are you doing?
I'm shooing away the haters in the comments. They need to slide somewhere else. Slide somewhere else. Can I tell you how much I love my Crocs?
Michael!